What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be all about fixing the S2000. Well, getting to it, getting the starting parts of it, because I have no idea how far we're going to get today. I want to actually check out what happened under the car, because I haven't actually looked at it since the last video. Like I haven't even lifted the car up, so that's what we're going to do today. And my brother's also here to help me out, so we're going to try to figure out how we're going to tackle this, because it's a pretty unique situation, because I've never had to deal with anything like this, so I don't know if we're going to bend it back, weld it, have to get another support completely. But we're about to find out. That's pretty much what this video is going to be about. So me and my brother have actually come to the conclusion that we're going to get a torch, and we're going to torch the metal, and then we're going to hook something on the bottom of the car and then just kind of hammer it out. Let me see if I can show you. So if you could see, that right there is the radiator, the part that I showed you last video, and all this is bent. So this hook down here, like we're going to try to hook something right here after we heat this up, and then we're going to yank it, hit it with the hammer, whatever we're gonna try to do, and I'll just show you the process. So we're just gonna heat this part up, and then as you can see, we have this all attached down here, and then we're gonna pull it and it's gonna come out, hopefully. So as you can see, we're heating up exactly where it got bent, and then we have this attached. It's called a come along, that's what my dad calls it, at least. And we have it all attached to this, to the actual frame of the radiator support. And we're heating it up and we're bending it back. We kind of already worked on this side, but it kind of looks like it went back a little bit. If you could see, obviously you could see it's bent. This is the part that got bent. So we're working on that, and obviously as you could see, this is not a perfect job. We are not professional mechanics by any means.
Welders.
Especially welders. So I'm probably gonna end up taking this to the shop and seeing if somebody can cut this, make a plate, maybe fix it a little bit better than we could. But this is just for the time being, because I do need a car and I can't just keep borrowing my parents' car. Alright, so I don't know how well you're actually going to be able to see this, but this is always a possibility when working on this. Again, we are not professionals. We kind of just do this because we want to. So this is supposed to be one whole piece, but as you could see, it actually cracked and turned into two pieces. Same exact thing happened on the other side, because we were actually pulling it. Maybe we put too much pressure, I don't know. But just remember, it's always a possibility. So what we're probably going to end up doing is kind of just leave it like this, put everything back on, and then take it to a shop so that they can weld that right there and weld the other side as well. So as you can see, obviously it's not perfect, but this actually does line back up. So we're just going to put this back on, and I'm probably just going to drive it around like that for a while, because it's pretty solid. It doesn't move a lot until I can actually get it welded. Alright guys, so just a quick update. I'm putting all this back on because it all fell off when I hit the speed bump. And they just clip in here, and then this clips. I mean, there's supposed to be more clips down here, but obviously this isn't lined up perfectly, so it's not going to go in there. And then this should line up to this and hold up perfectly fine. I just need to get a bigger washer, because as you can see here, it is broken. And that is on both sides. So last time you saw me, the bumper was still completely off the car. Everything was still taken apart. I have it all done, and I mean, it's running good. Me and my brother took a test drive. Everything is good. It's just that there's one new noise, and then it's rubbing a little bit more than usual for some reason on the hard bumps. But we're probably gonna have to save that for another day, because we also had a plan to check his transmission oil, because he thinks it's low. Like when he changes gears and stuff like that, he can feel it.
Reverse don't always go in.
Oh yeah, reverse doesn't always go in, so we're gonna go ahead and check that out. We have a theory. There's only like one video on YouTube that shows how to change the transmission fluid, but we have a theory, because on my brother's car there's actually like a little slot next to the seat that comes off, and like there's a bolt inside of it. So we're thinking that that's how you're supposed to check the transmission fluid. So we're lifting up the car so that way we can like make sure that that's the bolt, because if it's not, we're gonna have to take the seat off and everything. So that's gonna be for nothing if it's not meant for that.
No, that ain't it, bro. The transmission's too far up. You see it?
Oh man. So in conclusion, that was not the bolt. Well, he's probably gonna end up taking it to somebody to get it checked, because the car kind of has to be leveled, because if it's not, it's gonna obviously.
Any tires?
Oh my god, dude, look at him. Dude, you're running on nothing.
They're pretty much slicks at this point.
Look at that beautiful car. Look at it, finished, nice and finished for now. So I'm filming this in my room because I forgot to film it earlier when we were done working on the cars. But that was pretty much it. That's going to be the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just let me know what else you guys want to see on this S2000 and the Miata, because, you know, that's my brother's car and he actually likes working on it too. So if you guys want to leave a comment down below, leave a like, whatever it is, just tell me what you guys want to see and I'll make it happen. So please go like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.